Welcome to the unnecessary wheel swap. I put new wheels on the Cyberquad.
What?
Like I said, pretty unnecessary. It didn't look that bad. It was a lot easier to find than the Cybertruck was too. But yeah, I mean, now it's got real riders. I don't know. There goes the light. I don't know what casting I even got these from, to be honest. They actually might be from the real riders. See how big they are too. I could trim them. I'm not gonna go through all that trouble, dude. Shit, it's falling apart. Alright, man. So there you go. Cyberquad.
Monster.